Hi guys, so in this video we will learn a concept of triple top pattern. Okay, so triple top or double top, these you can like for a learning purpose I am telling you, but by seeing the chart now you can understand it. Okay, this is in the consolidation phase. Okay, it was like it is in the range bound. Okay, so by concept of support and resistance you can do the analysis. Okay, but again there is some topic, so that's why I am making the video of double top and triple top. But okay, so by seeing the support and the resistance you can analyze that one. Okay, so coming to the triple top means there will be like first stock will go up, from here it went come down. Okay, now again it has become a support level and went up, but again the second time it is not crossing the first one, and then came back at the support and again from support वो support से ऊपर चला गया, and third time again it has not crossed. So again when it came back, now the third time it is breaking the this neckline. Okay, so now it is breaking the neckline. So this is a 1 2 3, so that is why it is called three top. Okay, or triple top. So here you can take the entry, and the stop loss should be the above middle take, but ideally it will be this one, and the target will be the height of support that neckline and top. So this will be your okay. So let's see the example and we will see that what a triple top. Okay, so see this stock was there. Okay, so it went up from here, first time it went down and then from here it went up again, second time भी यहाँ से नीचे ही आ गया, ठीक है, और सपोर्ट लेके ये रेफरेंस इस सपोर्ट लेके ऊपर गया, बट थर्ड टाइम भी अगेन इट इज नॉट क्रॉसिंग द एबव ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड एंड केम डाउन. नाउ थर्ड टाइम क्या हुआ कि ये ब्रेकआउट दे दिया, यहाँ से ब्रेकआउट डाउन दिया इस नेक लाइन को, तो यू शुड टेक द एंट्री एंड देन you will take the target of the height of this height of neckline and high. Okay, so this is the uh, triple top. Okay, but I don't see any मैं जब भी चार्ट एनालिसिस करता हूँ तो ट्रिपल टॉप का एनालिसिस नहीं देखता हूँ. सिंपली if you will see here, this is a resistance. Okay, so this is a resistance. ठीक है, तो आप यहाँ से देखो कि दिस इज इन द रेंज. ओके, दिस इज इन द रेंज एंड दिस रेंज को ब्रेक डाउन दिया, तो आप ऐसे भी दे सकते हो, लेकिन अगर पढ़ रहे हैं तो ठीक है, इसको ट्रिपल टॉप के रूप में ही पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, नाउ अगेन दिस वाज गोइंग अप. ओके, so when I will so first top, second top and third top, देखो every time it is going down from here, and then when it will break down, give the breakdown here, you will take entry and the stop loss should be somewhere here. Ideally it should be here. Okay, because at the concept says so target will be this much height. Okay, this much. Okay, so again this is not a triple top, but it looks like triple top. Okay, if you will see here, it went first top, it make first top, first top, and then it is second top. Okay, now when it is going from here, this is third top. Okay, from here it is giving breakdown. You can take the entry here and you can take entry here also, because it is taking retest. Okay, so on the target you are able to get the target from here to here. A stop loss take the high of this or high of this. Okay, based on your risk. So I will see this as a some range bound. Okay, it was in the range bound, it has given the breakdown. Okay, इस तरह से. So triple top का concept यही था guys. So hope you have understood this video. See you in the next video.